Hello friend, good morning everyone. Today we will talk about Mr. Lado sir great opportunity Metaforce ecosystem. So friend, about Metaforce. Metaforce is a pioneering global cryptocurrency ecosystem engineering using blockchain technology and smart contract featuring the largest Web3 community with over 2 million members. Metaforce is leading cryptocurrency community with over 2 million members worldwide that continues to grow activity. The main audience of the project is concentrated in India, China as well as in other countries of Asia and Europe. Metaforce ecosystem is structured around four fundamental product pillars, each emblematic of a natural element: Unitverse, Tactile, Boost and Overreal. Royalty, the foundational fifth element, binds these together enabling a distinctive synergy among the element. Next, Metaforce ecosystem. Tactile is a unique direction in Metaforce ecosystem where the digital realm gratefully intersects with the physical. TR tokens. Friends, in the Metaforce ecosystem, participant can earn income through TR token, which won award for activating level in the Tactile Classic programs. Unitverse. Next ecosystem, Metaforce. Unitverse services as the foundational program of the ecosystem, acting as a critical link connecting users with the metaverse. Unitverse. Next program, Metaforce ecosystem. Unitverse service as the foundational program of the ecosystems, acting as a critical link connecting users with the metaverse. Within the metaverse itself holds a world that closely mirrors reality, built on the principle of decentralization. Next, Metaforce ecosystems. Metaverse. The new DAO. Metaverse, also known as the metaverse or virtual world, is a separate product within metaverse. This metaverse is integrated with the product lines such as Unitverse, Tactile, Boost and Overreal. Next, Metaforce ecosystem. Mana asset in the metaverse with the potential for market value growth. These assets including land and real estate in the metaverse. Royalty. The royalty status in the implemented in the NFT format and is designed to accrue bonuses with the Metaforce ecosystems. Energy. This mechanism represents one of the earning opportunity for Metaforce participant by using energy. Next, Metaforce ecosystem. Forcecoin is core of the Metaforce economy. The coin offers participants the opportunity to make transactions in the metaverse and earn income through game app network. Next, Metaforce ecosystem. HMFS. Hi friend, the HMFS hold MFS token in the Metaforce ecosystem, acts as a wrap version of the MFS token. User receive HMFS token after participant taking program. And friend, coming soon, Bitforce. Next ecosystem, Metaforce. Bitforce is the own blockchain and multi-mining started coming soon. Thank you very much.